Hello everyone, my name is Valeria and I'm presenting our work on a new dataset and evaluation method for multi-document non-factoid question answering. Unlike simple factoid questions, which can typically be answered with a short text snippet, non-factoid question answering involves more complex questions like how to stay motivated when ChatGPT understands your research better than you do. Such questions require passage-level answers and often necessitates complex reasoning across multiple documents. Despite advancements in artificial intelligence, typical search results often still fall short in providing correct answers for non-factoid questions, requiring users to manually find and summarize the answer. On the other hand, if you ask ChatGPT any complex question, you will almost certainly get an answer. In fact, this introduction was written by ChatGPT, but these days that's hardly surprising. However, while its answers are highly coherent and fluent, they can sometimes be factually incorrect, deceiving even expert humans. Have you ever asked ChatGPT to compile a list of scientific papers in a niche research area? If so, it may not surprise you to find many of the authors it suggests turn out to be non-existent. Now, let's shift our focus to a more concrete example involving how-to or instructional questions, which are among the most popular non-factoid question categories. For this, we'll refer to wikiHow, a website dedicated to providing elaborate answers to such questions. We select an article written after 2021, which is past the knowledge cutoff of the GPT model, thus minimizing the possibility of a data leakage. Imagine we want to know how to clean a plastic water tank. To test the model, we ask this question to the latest GPT-4, specifically the version without the browsing extension, to prevent it from picking the answer. At first glance, we get a seemingly useful answer, and unless you're really into sanitizing things, you probably wouldn't notice a small factual inaccuracy. To make it easier for you, I'll highlight the incorrect piece. Let it sit for about 30 minutes, then drain and rinse the tank thoroughly. If we check the wikiHow answer, they recommend to let it sit for 24 hours to disinfect it. This is also supported by related web documents. In fact, if we ask ChatGPT itself, allowing browsing, it will also recommend to sanitize for at least few hours. These examples underscores the importance of grounding AI-generated answers in supporting documents, even when using the latest models. It also highlights the need for an improved evaluation process, making it easier for humans to assess the accuracy of the answers. In our paper, we introduced a curated multi-document non-factoid question answering dataset, filling a gap in the absence of open source resources for training and benchmarking model for this task. Our resource is built on top of wikiHow, containing 11,000 human written answers along with more than 74,000 supporting documents, sets new benchmark for the field. We also evaluate how well humans are able to evaluate complex answers. But this is just the beginning. Imagine an evaluation process that not only assesses the accuracy of complex answers, but also their context, nuance, and factual grounding. An evaluation that can be trusted to ensure the information provided by AI models is accurate and reliable, whether you're a researcher, a student, or just someone trying to clean a plastic water tank. Please take the time to read our paper and join us for our talk. We're eager to delve into the process of recreating reliable benchmarks and discuss new ways to evaluate models to realize this vision.